Hello everyone, today I'm going to share my experience of staying at Ramada by Wyndham in Dubai's historical and cultural district of Deira. The hotel is situated at the heart of Deira and I think it's an ideal location because it is just a short walk from Salahuddin metro station, Reef Mall, which has a Nesto hypermarket inside if you need snacks or basic supplies for your room. And plenty of restaurants and shops are around like Ansar Gallery where you can pick up souvenirs as well. It's also super convenient for foreign visitors because there's a currency exchange bureau in the same building. We booked one room for 2 people through agoda.com and paid around $39 per night, along with an additional tourism fee of around $29 upon arrival. I would say this is a pretty great deal compared to what our travel agent was offering. The fee did not cover food, minibar items, telephone usage or laundry services. Now let me take you on a room tour. The hotel had a modern design and the room had a cozy ambience. It had TV, air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, kettle with tea, coffee, sugar and cream assortments. The bathroom was also very clean and even had a bathtub. Just be sure to switch on the heating a few minutes before you shower or take a bath. There's even a phone inside the bathroom in case nature calls. The wardrobe had a safety lock, room slippers and an ironing board with an iron. If you head up to the top floor, you will find some great free facilities like a fully equipped gym and a rooftop swimming pool. There's also a spa up there, but unfortunately that's not included in the free deal. Now, the room service at Ramada was impressive. The staff cleaned our room every time we checked out for long periods of time and they were super thoughtful. They would add like little things to the room that they thought we might need, like extra towels or a new bottle of water, and it was a really nice personal touch. Now, I'd also like to give a special shout out to Ben, a friendly concierge who worked the night shifts. He made us feel so welcomed and ensured we had a great stay. Another thing we really appreciated about the Ramada was that they accepted Amazon deliveries, which was a huge time saver for us. Like, we're from Mauritius and we do not have this option there, so we were really thrilled to take advantage of it and spend more time seeing the sights. Now, there were a few small things that could be improved and I'm just going to voice out my opinion. So the corridor to our room had a certain fried oil smell and there was sometimes a weird odor coming from the bathroom which would last for a few minutes. But that didn't really spoil our overall experience. We just used air fresheners and it was fine. Also, there was no microwave and no proper place to dry clothes, but honestly those were pretty tiny issues in the grand scheme of things. What really mattered was how comfortable we were and the beds and pillows were amazing. I slept like a baby. Overall, I had a wonderful stay and I would definitely recommend it to anyone visiting the area. And if you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And if you've stayed at any other hotels in Dubai and you'd like to recommend that, please leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to check them out in my next adventure. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.